You know, Lola Honey, I think you're the absolute best when it comes to mental health. I hope more people can hear your amazing talks.
Wow, Mimi, thanks for that. Do you think it would help young people to come if I speak in your language?
Great idea. Let's give it a go. Maybe we can also get the help of AI to generate this.
Okay, sure, Mimi, let's try it. Hey, friends, got some big news. Mark your calendars for November 30, that's Saturday, because we're going to have a double celebration. It's MLAC Institute's 40th anniversary and my birthday. So you know that we're going all out. I'm going to say some I'm going to talk about some serious topics like the emotional intelligence, how to boost your EQ in the AI or uh, artificial intelligence era. Uh, you know that in the world where technology is going so fast, faster than even the TikTok trend, your EQ is important for you to stay ahead. So if you're ready to vibe with amazing people, I'd love for you to join us. Join us so that you learn something that will help you and will also help your mental health. See you there.
Slay! Wow, Lola Honey, that's so cool. And well done. I can't wait to see you on your birthday and Emily's Anniv on November 30th. See you there, everyone.
Yay.